Try again.
Time to wake up, Chuggington!
Heading for the working wheels yard, Brewster.
Busy day for the Chuggineers. The lighthouse needs repairing.
That fire made a real mess of it.
I'm right behind you. See you later, Wilson and Coco.
Bye-bye, Brewster.
Fletch shines.
Rise and shine, guys. The fog's clearing and Captain Charlie's on his way.
That's fantastic news, Skipper Stu.
Sweet.
Daily deliveries, careful and... I better tell V.
Yes, so I've had to close the line.
Don't worry, V. We'll fix it.
Oh, thank you, Chuggineers.
But how am I gonna supervise the lighthouse repair as well?
How about I take care of the lighthouse?
Why not? It's your time to shine, Fletch.
Thanks. I won't let you down, Zack.
Let's pull back, take up the slack. Let's get this cargo on the track. Come on, boys, and lend a wheel. Let's keep her on an even keel.
Oh, and don't forget to pick up the crane hook from the drop and load yard.
I won't.
And can you check on the bridge parts being shipped today?
Yep, I can handle that too.
Solid.
Thanks, Pete. Here we go now. Oh, my aching engine. These things are humongous.
Easy does it, Cormac.
I wouldn't want to have to haul them to the docks.
Oh, this track's been wrecked by the freezing weather we've been having.
How much do we need to replace?
Oh, a big section, Brewster.
Then let's get to work, Chuggineers.
Phew. I'm definitely gonna need a rest after this.
Going to the left, Cormac!
Oh, Fletch, you just scared me.
Hi!
Morning.
Hope you haulers are feeling powerful.
We're mighty and tough.
Always strong enough.
Morning, everyone. Chug Patrol to escort you to the docks.
You know what? I think I'll come too. Keep an eye on things for Zack.
We are Chuggineering.
Who's taking up the track?
Chuggineer Tinus, because the frost has made it crack. Hey, hey, hey. We are Chuggineering.
Who's taking the rails away?
Trainee Brewster is to the foundries, what I say.
Hey, hey, hey.
Wait there, Skylar. Wide load coming through.
No sweat.
Can you go into that siding, Daly?
Wow, that's some special delivery.
Move aside, please, Brewster. Wide load approaching.
Fletch, Zack wanted you to check on the bridge, not travel with it.
I know, but I need to stay on top of things while I'm in charge.
What about the lighthouse?
That won't take me long. Don't worry, Brewster.
We are Chuggineering. Who's laying ballast down?
Chuggineer Tinus, I'm leveling up the ground.
Good thing these tracks aren't icy like yesterday, Ash.
Too true.
Easy does it.
Gentle on the brakes.
Stellar work, guys.
Grand. We'll be on our way then. We're Chug Patrol, and we're ready to roll.
Okay, lighthouse time. Oh no! I forgot to pick up the hook.
I'm sure it moved. Sure as there's steam in my stack.
Have you gone completely crazy, Pete? Containers don't move by themselves.
Told ya.
Whoa. Oh, my aching engine.
Whatever's in it.
Oh, I can't remember, but I'm moving a will out of the way.
Hey, magnets, I'll betcha. Rattling rivets.
Oh, Pete, what am I gonna do?
I've always said you had a magnetic personality.
Quick, where's the crane hook?
I'd show you, but I'm stuck.
Hang on.
Oh, thanks, Fletch. I owe you one.
We are the Chuggineers, the best at laying track. Solid work, crew.
Thanks, boss. Wonder how Fletch is doing.
Here we go. Easy does it. Little bit more. Quality. Russ, can you bring me the new section, please?
Coming.
I'll weld it all together. I'm Chuggineer Zack,
Zack, Zack!
and I'll work in any weather.
Hey, hey!
Chuggineers!
Woohoo!
Come on.
Hey, Fletch.
Come on.
Give it a jiggle.
Or even a wiggle.
Haven't you got work to do?
Nah, we're on a break.
Easy does it. Bingo!
Sweet.
Message for Fletch. Zack will be over soon to inspect the lighthouse.
Thanks, Daly.
Better hurry with that roof.
Why didn't I leave more time? No!
Oh, dear.
Whoopsie.
Oh, I can't see it!
You'll never get that back.
You'll have to find it on the roof.
But where?
Solid as a rock and perfectly aligned.
Hooray for us!
Let's return our gear and get to the lighthouse.
Emergency! Emergency! Have you got any lighthouse roofs?
Oh, yeah. The warehouse is full of them, matter of fact.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
I'm joking. That's a very unusual item. What happened?
I've dropped the roof in the bay. Zack was counting on me.
Rattling rivets.
I wish I could help. I mean, I owe you one for rescuing me from those magnets, but,
Magnets! That's it! Yes!
Oh, I'm lucky.
Try again.
I've got something! Yes! Catch of the day!
Look at that lighthouse! Solid work, Fletch. Hope it wasn't any trouble.
Nothing I couldn't handle. I even had time for some fishing.
Activating illumination. Stand by.
I told you this was your time to shine, Fletch.
Quality!